$100 to $400 per day. Literally just using this copy and paste strategy that I'm going to teach you step by step in this video and how you can replicate this. Let's get straight into it. And the best part is you don't need to be monetized by YouTube or by AdSense to get paid through this method, as there's this amazing alternative method that I'm going to show you on how you can get paid through this method with 0 views and 0 subscribers. And the best part about this strategy is you don't need any camera, you don't need any lighting, you don't need any fancy equipment to record your own videos, you don't need to speak into a mic, you don't need to do any of the work yourself, because you can literally copy and paste this method onto YouTube. And I'm going to show you a brand new platform that you can use to get the kind of content that you need for this method. But it's important that you don't miss any steps or key websites in this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn this into a full-on autopilot method, as I'm going to give you access to one of YouTube's best ranking tools, as well as one of Google's best ranking tools that I use to go viral on YouTube. And as a disclaimer, this is something that will not happen overnight, so you're not going to be making $100, $200, $300, $400 plus over the first night. It can happen if you perhaps are lucky, but the best part about this as well, you don't need to hit the 1,000 subscriber and the 4,000 watch hour mark to get paid, but you can get there very quickly with this method, with the tools that I'm going to give you. So as I say, it's important that you keep watching with me, but as I say, consistency and volume is going to be a key term and key understanding terms that you need to understand for this method to work. But guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I teach you daily methods on how you can make money online, build your online business and build your online brand and presence, and grow your social media following. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. And first link in the description is a link to my private Facebook group where I'm building a whole community where we can all help each other out. If you have any questions, we can ask each other and hopefully solve our problems. But let's get straight into this value-packed method. And the first platform that I'm going to head over to, and it's important that you stick with me because I'm going to go through each and every platform in step-by-step in chronological order. So the first platform that I'm going to use is pixabay.com, which is basically a platform where you can get videos and pictures that are completely copyright free. And you'll see right here on pixabay.com there's actually a dedicated section just for videos, and you can literally get videos of the stars, the like plants, the beach, the waterfalls. There's so many different copyright free clips that you can use and literally copy and paste onto YouTube. We're not going to be downloading this. I'm going to show you another tool that we're going to be using to put these videos together to really get a lot of views. So it's important that you stick with me, that you can learn how to do that. But this is the first platform where we are going to source our videos. And what's also fantastic about this method, YouTube literally gives us everything we need on our studio dashboard already when you create your channel. So on the classic studio dashboard, YouTube will have a create section where there's actually an entire audio library where we can get a ton of soundtracks, like inspirational or motivational songs that we can literally use for free. All of this is copyright free, so we can literally copy and paste this stuff into our videos and kind of make an awesome video and get a lot of views with that. But make sure to stick with me so I can show you exactly how to do that. And if I quickly do a quick search on YouTube, you can see right here something like the motivational video niche is getting a lot of views, such as basic motivational videos that people are making simple compilations out of with like a voiceover and a really uplifting kind of song is getting a ton of views. And what I'm going to teach you is how you can leverage the tool that I'm going to show you to scale and eventually grow to something this big. I mean, for example, if I scroll down a little bit and I take this channel over here, Ben Lionel Scott, and I come over to his social blade just to give you an idea of what he's earning on his channel. He's earning about $150,000 to $170,000 a month. Social Blade's earnings is usually a lot less than what YouTube actually pays out, so it could even be a little bit more, and he's earning about $5,000 on a daily basis creating simple motivational videos, just like the way I'm going to teach you in this method. And the best part is you don't only have to use motivation. You can use something, any sort of niche. You can use a finance niche. You can create something in the reading niche, in the cooking niche, in the fitness niche. There's so many different videos or types of niches that you can use for this method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to Pixabay and I'm just going to type in, for example, let's do this one right here. There's actually quite a good one over here, like a guy on the C. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to download this in the 1080p version. You can download this completely for free. All of these videos are free to use. I'm going to scroll down some more, and I'm going to use this one of the wolf. I like the symbol, or like the meaning of a wolf, pretty cool. So I'm going to download this again in 1080p straight to my computer. And then I'm also going to use this one right here of this like person running, which is pretty cool. It gives like a nice action kind of shot. So I'm going to download this to my PC as well. And for example, if you want to use other niches, you can use something like gymming. So I can type in here gymming. You can find videos on weightlifting. Here's some good ones on like yoga, leg press, more yoga classes, like outside gymming. You can also do weight lifting, for example, and you can get some videos on that as well. And you can use so many different niches. You can use cooking videos as well. So I mean, you can literally just type in your niche on the search bar of Pixabay and you will find so many different types of videos that you can use. So now that I've got some cool videos that I've gotten off Pixabay, such as this guy right here, like putting his hands up in the stars, there's so many different cool videos that you can go through. I'm going to head over to the audio library of my YouTube dashboard where I can go and get like 1 or 2 audio soundtracks that I can use that will suit these videos. So what I'm going to do is, you can see right here, there is a genre, and I'm going to click on genre, and I'm going to head over to cinematic, as I want to find some music that is like cinematic, that is inspirational and very uplifting. The one that I found that's pretty cool is this one right here, Borderless. So you'll see right here, if I just sift through it, it's like a very uplifting guitar kind of beat. So what I'm going to do is, you'll see right here, there is a download button, as I say, completely copyright free and free to use. So I'm going to download this on my local PC. And then the next step, you'll see a lot of these motivational videos. If you go and watch them, they will basically have like an overvoice, or somebody commentating, or somebody narrating over the motivational video, giving perhaps a motivational speech or a motivational talk over a specific niche, whether it's gymming, whether it's positivity, it could be anything. So that's what we need to now go and get for our videos to be able to do this. So I'm going to show you a platform or a website where you can basically source this completely for free. You don't even need to record this yourself. So the next platform that we need to head to is this one right here, Archiveorg, which is basically a platform where people provide free audios, free audiobooks, videos, books, normal books, web, software, and images as well. But in this case, we're just looking for an audio overlay for our video that we are going to make. So I'm going to head over here to this section over here called audio. Then I'm going to come over to audiobooks and poetry, and I'm going to click on that section. And you can see right here, I can then search. They actually have a search bar over here where I can search for various different audio files or audio overlays in various different niches with over 19,000 results. So, I mean, I can type in something like motivation. And for example, if I just click on this one over here, the 12 months, you can see right here, there's basically an audio file that looks like this, and you can see right here the usage is public domain, and they've got the CC, which means Creative Commons, which means this can be reused for you to reuse without any copyright issues. And you can see right here they've got all their different audio files right here. You can choose any one of these. You can click on play just to give you an idea of what this sounds like. And you can skip around using this bar, just getting an idea of what these people are saying or what their voices sound like. And I was just messing around with some keywords in the search bar, and you'll see right here, one I put in was positive, so looking for like positivity, motivational, etc. And there's a couple of ones here, for example, positive affirmations on gratitude, everyday positive affirmations. And a good one that I found right here is actually this one over here. Positive affirmations for daily happiness, which is a pretty good one that I found. I mean, if I click on it and I click on play, it's a very like soothing, happy, like motivational kind of voice that we can use for our video. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on this right here. I'm going to download this in the MP3 format, which is the default audio format. So I'm going to download this to my local PC. And now that I've got a couple of videos from Pixabay, and then I've got my motivational song, and then my voice overlay, now what we need to do is we need to use a video editing software. If you're on MacBook or iMac, you can use iMovie, and if you're on Windows, you can use something like OpenShot. You can see right here, OpenShot video editor is completely free to use. It's an open source program that you can use to download. You can literally cut scenes, drag and drop audio files and video files wherever you want to, and then save that as a MP4 video type, which is very similar to that of Sony Vegas 17, which is the software I usually use. Oh, I'm going to go file and open over here. I'm going to go to the folder where I've saved all of my content that I'm going to be using for this video. So I'm going to open up all of these videos, the song, and my voice overlay. So you'll see right here, all my content is now opened up in my library. So what I'm going to do is I can drag and drop some of these over here. You can see right here, like this one. I can then drag this one of like this dude running, the one of this wolf perhaps, then the one of the rain, and then perhaps finish off with this one here with this person like lifting their hands up in the air. And if I play this, you can kind of get an idea of what this looks like. It's going to transition into this shot of this dude running. It's then going to transition into this shot of this wolf. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down this borderless song that I have. And I'm just going to mute this audio so we just hear the song. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to shorten this a little bit. So I'm going to right click on this video like halfway. I'm going to click on split over here. I'm going to then just delete this section and kind of bring these two together just to make it a little bit shorter. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly play this for you again, and you'll see right here, I like how the music kind of transitions as the scene transitions as well. And you can see it will go straight into the wolf scene. So there you go, you kind of got the idea of how that works. And what I'm doing is I'm then going to drag this voice overlay. I'm just going to make the song a little bit softer so we can hear what this person's saying.
Gladly release all stress and negativity from my entire precious being and life, easily and effortlessly. Peace, gentleness, and soothing calmness flow blissfully through marvelous me at every moment, allowing my wonderful body, intelligent mind, and gracious soul to be content.
So you've kind of got an idea of how that works. Like, it actually fits kind of really well. It even fits a lot better than what I thought it would, and it seems really motivational to me. And what you can do is you can see right here, mine is about a minute long. You can obviously get a ton. I mean, this song goes up till 2 minutes, the audio goes up till 9 minutes. You can literally get a whole bunch, way more than 5 videos off Pixabay, and you can make up to like 5-minute videos, but I just recommend 2 to 3 minute videos should be fine for this method. Then what you can do is you can select the section that you want to save. You can go File, Render As, and you'll see right here, once this pops up, you can select 1080p 60f or 1080p 30fps and click on render, and it will save. And then once that's saved, you can eventually then get monetized if you keep posting consistency on a, let's say, a daily or every second day or 3 times a week or whatever kind of schedule you'd like to post on. Obviously, this is something that will take time, but I'm going to show you something that you can use to obviously fast track your process of getting monetized, or an alternative way of getting monetized without even hitting the 1,000 subscribe and 4,000 watch hour requirements. And the tool that I want to show you guys is this tool right here, Video Marketing Blaster, which is basically a program that will allow you to rank on the number 1 page of Google and YouTube by typing in a specific keyword and ranking for that keyword term in literally 3 clicks. And I've ranked multiple videos of mine on the top pages of Google and YouTube that have gotten hundreds of thousands of views. And unfortunately, this program is not free, but it's also not required for this method. But I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually get this program for about 80% off. I mean, there's free training right here on the website, so there is the link in the description. So make sure to click on that to first of all get your free training. And then if you purchase that through there, you'll get 80% off. It is my affiliate link, so I would get a little bit of commission for that. But if you don't want to support me through my affiliate link, you can just go to Google and type in Video Marketing Blaster, but you'll most likely pay the normal price as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to ClickBank, and I'm going to actually head over to the affiliate marketplace. ClickBank is the number 1 place in the world where you can basically get a commission for selling other people's products, courses, or services, and you can get anywhere between 30 and 90% commissions. So you'll see right here, if I come over to the ClickBank marketplace, they've got a ton of various different categories such as games. You can use niche examples here for this method as well. And I'm going to use, for example, spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. And you'll see right here, there's a ton. For example, like a new manifestation magic mega hit, all about like motivation. Here's like a blockbuster personal development, a 15-minute manifestation where you're going to earn $45 a sale. So for example, if we're going to use that product, I can view their landing page. They've already got a landing page for you. You don't need to create any of that yourself. And you'll see right here, they've got like a 15-minute manifestation video, like a free presentation. You can then click on promote, and you can get your affiliate link by typing in your account nickname. I click on generate hop links, you can get your affiliate link. Obviously, you can use something like bit.ly to shorten that, and you can include that link in the description. And in your video editor, you can have like at the end, you can include some text and say link in description, which will direct or funnel traffic to the link in the description. And then if somebody decides to purchase that 15-minute manifestation or personal development course, you're going to earn $45 per sale. And as I say, this is not something that's going to happen overnight, but if you think of volume, you post once a day. Let's say you're posting daily for a month, that's 30 videos, you're getting 10 views per video. That is about 600 views. That is about 300 to 600 views per day. Let's say even 1 or 2 of those people out of the 600 views per day convert. That is $45 a day. Let's say you're posting daily for 5 months, 10 months, a whole year. The amount of views you're going to be accumulating on a daily basis, and that is traffic that's going to your affiliate link. And then on top of this, over time, you can earn through AdSense as well. So as I say, it's a volume and consistency game. But guys, if you want to see some of the best free courses or playlists that I've got here, right here on the screen, I've got some of the best methods that I've been using to build online businesses, such as drop servicing, affiliate marketing, and drop shipping. So many various different free videos right here on YouTube that's completely packed with value and giveaways. So make sure to choose one of these on the screen, and I'll see you there.